Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and I am thrilled to have you here as we embark on an exciting journey to explore the world of permutations. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone curious about mathematics and its applications, this lecture is designed for you. Basically, permutations play a critical role in fields like data science, artificial intelligence, and even everyday problem solving. So, by the end of this session, you will not only understand what permutations are, but also know how to apply them to solve real world problems. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. Basically, a permutation is an arrangement of objects in a specific order. And remember, the order of arrangement is crucial in permutations. For example, arranging the letters of the word ABC. So there are total permutations or arrangement. They are factorial 3, and that is 6. Later I will discuss. Factorial means if factorial n, so that factorial 3, that means 1 into 2 into 3. Let us see the formula for permutation. So the number of permutations of n objects taken r at a time, that is the formula. It is denoted as PNR, factorial n upon factorial n minus r. And here factorial represents the product of all integers from 1 to n. So if you have factorial 1, so 1. Factorial 2 means 1 into 2. Factorial 3 means 1 into 2 into 3. Factorial 4 means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Now let us see, find the number of ways to arrange 3 objects out of 5. So if you have 3 objects, if you have 5 objects, and number of arrangements, if you take 3 at a time, that would be P3 5 3. That means factorial 5 upon factorial 5 minus 3, and that would be 60. So let us derive the formula. So consider r vacant positions to fill using n objects. You can understand in this way also. So first position can be filled in n ways, second n minus 1 ways, third n minus 2 ways, fourth n minus 3 ways, and so on. So if you continue this process until r positions are filled, so you will get PNR, that is n into n minus 1. The same expression you can write here. So PNR factorial n upon factorial n minus r. The same expression you can write in the form of formula. Let us see an example. How many 4 words can be formed from the letters Rouge without repetition? So that means factorial 4. You are taking 4 at all times. So 4 P4 4. That is factorial 4 upon 4 minus 4. And that would be 24. How many ways can a committee of 2 form from 6 people? That means out of 6 you are taking 2 at a time. So how many committees can be formed? And remember, order matters. That means in permutation AB is not equal to BA. These two are different arrangements. So questions to consider here: how does the formula change if repetition is allowed? What happens when R is equal to N? How does permutation differ from combination? So you have understood. Now for more resources and videos, you can visit website, YouTube channel, Facebook page. You can also connect to LinkedIn page. So hope you understood what is a permutation. Thanks for watching the video.